at this moment, people focus, of course, a lot on staying healthy, becoming not infected with corona, surviving the home office, which is not always that easy with perhaps children around you, or a small house where it's difficult to do home office with yourself and your partner perhaps. So what we within Bethmann do is focus on a few important topics, and it's basically three. We continue to say this is a marathon and not a sprint. So make sure that you actually manage to go for the whole ride. Don't give all your energy right now, but make sure you make a good balance between private life and work life. Which is not always difficult when the laptop is on the table and always in clear sight. The second thing is,
yeah, I can see it by myself. So, you know, days are even longer than before because, you know, it's so easy just to sit there to make another video call or another phone call or writing another email. So days are really long. Yeah.
Indeed. And there is always an email to be answered. There is always a call to be answered. So we focus and stress that a lot to employees, if only because there is the Arbeitszeitgesetz, which also forbids people to work during holidays, as an example. The second topic we are focusing on is health. So make sure that you exercise. Of course, we can't force people, but we can give suggestions how to do that. Go outside, have a walk, and just make sure you relax every now and then. And the third thing is try to learn at least one new skill during this crisis time. You're at home. Most people save a lot of time because they don't have to travel back and forth to the office. So spend a bit of your time on developing yourself a skill. For myself, I've chosen a not so corporate skill, that is roller skating. Being Dutch, I should be able to do it, but the last time I did it was, I suppose, 30 years ago. So I'm happy we don't have a video from that. But all fun aside, within the bank, we have a platform with hundreds, if not thousands, of free online trainings, which employees can participate in at a time that's convenient for them. It's about the kredietgeschäft or investment advisory, whatever it is people are interested to learn more about, they can enroll and participate. So we try to focus that a lot on developing. That's for all the employees, but at the same time, for managers, it's difficult to manage from a distance. So we try to support the managers where possible by giving them advice as on how you can be a good manager from a distance. You gave the example of the café kuchen. We do virtual drinks a lot. We suggest managers and help them in setting up virtual drinks on Thursday evening late. Just open the screen as we do right now.
How do you do that? So
we work with teams. We just invite the whole team to join the Teams meeting, so the online platform, and people sit in front of their screen with a glass of wine or beer or gespritzt or was auch immer.
And also a non-alcoholic drink, or does it have to be alcoholic?
I cannot answer that one. No, you can drink whatever you want, of course. Alcoholvrije Hefeweizen, so it's all good, as long as you're there with a drink. And to be honest, I was a bit skeptic about it because I thought, how can this possibly work? But it works, and it takes a while before there is a natural balance who talks when. But at a certain moment, this balance has been found, and then you really learn a lot from each other, and you hear aspects you would otherwise, of course, during a normal day in the office would hear, but now need to go and search for explicitly.
Okay, so in fact, the idea is how can we create socializing frames which are not typical in an online environment. So having
Indeed.
those virtual drinks or virtual Kaffee Küche, where you meet people informally, I think that's a good topic and an important topic to take care.
In the most recent employee umfrage we had a couple of days ago, people gave it back that they appreciated that. You know, it's all voluntary. So if you don't want to participate or you can't participate, then don't. But if you are there and want to join, you're most welcome, and people appreciate that.
And like in a Kaffeeküche, you can come whenever you want and you can leave whenever you want. So it's not, I have to be there at the first moment until the last. So this voluntary topic, to be there when you want to join, is also, I think, which is a fundament of an informal talk and chat. Yeah.
Indeed, and it works.